Gary Brosch graduated from the University of South Florida with an undergraduate degree in economics in 1973. Gary and his family have deep connections to USF. Gary, his brother, and one of his daughters were all proud USF alumni, and his wife taught for 16 years at the Lifelong Learning Department. Following his graduation from Florida State with an MS in economics, Gary began his career in state government, which included time within the State Economic Office and as staff director of House Committee on Tourism and Economic Development. During the 1980s, his career path took him to Washington, D.C. to serve within the Reagan administration as a special economic advisor for the U.S. Department of Transportation. There, Gary met and married his wife Barbara before moving to Houston to serve as the Director of Transportation Research at Rice University. In 1988, Gary moved back to Tampa to become USF's founding director of the Center for Urban Transportation Research, or Cutter. When Cutter opened its doors, Gary was the first and only employee. He operated out of a borrowed office in the College of Engineering. In 1991, Cutter's staff grew to 35 and moved to new quarters within multiple mobile offices near the engineering buildings. After continued growth and achieving status as an important federal national center, Cutter needed its very own building. In 1995, a new 26,000 square foot Cutter building was completed, which faculty, staff, and students occupy to this day. Gary was proud to not only witness the construction of this building, but he had direct input including the style of tables in the boardroom, the artwork, and even the train track markings you see on the floor. While working as Cutter's director, he also served as the first editor of the Journal of Public Transportation. In 2007, he was honored to be included into the Florida Transportation Hall of Fame. In addition, the Georgia Brosch Memorial Scholarship was established to honor the memory of their infant daughter. This scholarship has provided 41 scholarships to undergraduate, graduate, and doctoral students enrolled at the College of Engineering. Cutter has received grants worth over $350 million and enjoys a reputation as one of the preeminent transportation research centers in the nation. Gary attributes Cutter's success to support from the College of Engineering, USF leadership, the Cutter board, and Cutter's focus on truly serving its clients' needs. Gary is truly a renaissance man due to multiple interests that include racing professional sports cars at Sebring, Daytona, Watkins Glen, and Laguna Seca, creating stone sculptures in alabaster and marble, and playing guitar in his church worship team. After retiring from USF in 2014, Gary created a nonprofit ministry, No Fret Guitar Camp, which has worked with over 100 churches in 18 states to give over 1,000 underserved teens free lessons and free guitars. We congratulate Gary Brosch for winning this year's Dean's Distinguished Service Award and for all his achievements.